Take a look at this PayPal payment right here. Over $107, and you can receive money just like this if you have a mobile phone or a computer. So this is how much money you can earn. On your first day, you can earn $150. On day 2, you can earn $350. And on the third day, you can earn $550. This method for today is incredibly easy and perfect for beginners. Plus, it's 100% free and you don't need to worry about anything else because this method is available worldwide. We are going to be showing you how you can sign up for a free account, and we're also going to be sharing with you a lot of bonuses and tips and tricks that can increase your earning potential throughout today's entire video. What's up everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. First of all, we want you to go on this website right here. Just type in univoxcommunity.com, and as soon as you hit enter on that, it should take you right here. Take surveys, earn rewards. Devote time, take surveys, and share feedback on products you use. Get paid for it without leaving your chair. Do this being anywhere in the world. If you sign up, you immediately get $2 just by signing up, which is crazy. Before we get into the sign-up process though, let's explore this website a little bit more. 3 simple steps. We value both your time and opinions. Do you? With Univox, start doing so. It's quick. Sign up and get instant bonus of 200 points worth $2. Take surveys. We'll email you survey invites. The surveys will be quick and easy to answer. Earn rewards. Win exciting rewards for each survey that you take. Here are some of the ways that you can choose to get paid. So obviously, our favorite, PayPal money. We also have bank transfer, Amazon gift cards, and Tango gift cards as well. So you can literally just choose from any of this. They works with other brands already too, which means that this website is legit and it's reliable. You can download this app on both Android and iOS devices, which just makes it all the better than it already is. To join, you're going to want to click on join to get $2, and then you'll see this. Join us to get $2 surveys made just for you. It's the simple and rewarding way to voice your opinion. 3 simple steps. Register for free, participate in surveys, earn rewards now. You're just going to fill up this application like you normally would. So your language, first name, last name, gender, email, password twice, birth year and month, and your address, zip code, your country, and then do the CAPTCHA, agree to the terms, and then hit sign up. Once you've signed up, you should find yourself in your account, and that should look like something like this. Now, we're going to discuss bonus tip number 1. You'll see on top that you have 1 free spin, and we want you to click on that, and then you're going to be brought over here to this page. Basically, you will be able to spin this wheel of fortune, and you can win free money online. I want you guys to check our description box down below if you guys want to learn how to make even more money online over $1,000. Then you're going to be very pleasantly surprised with what we have for you. So make sure to check the description box down below if you want to make even more money online. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you have any video content ideas for us in case there are any videos that you want to see in particular. Let us also know what devices you use, if you're an Android or an iOS user, and while you're at it, comment where you're from because I enjoy reading your comments and you know I'll try to respond to all of them. So let's head back. So you can earn anywhere from 100 points to 1,000 points, and 100 points is equal to $1, which means that you can easily earn $1 to $10 every single day just by spinning this Wheel of Fortune. So just hit on spin and then it'll start spinning. Then it will just show me how much I earned, and we didn't win anything, but that's okay because after 24 hours, we can try again and you can do this as much as you'd like. Bonus tip number 2 is to go on my surveys right here, and this is where you can find different surveys that you can do to earn even more PayPal money. It's already sorted by relevance, but we want you to click on sort by points, high to low, and as you can see, all of the surveys that have the most points will be first shown to you. And these are the surveys that you should do in order to earn $1 each survey. So if you want to take up these surveys, just click on the button right here, take survey, then you're going to be brought to this page. And as soon as I hit on save, I will right away be brought to this page right here. And it's simple, just tick one, then hit next, then another question will pop up. Same process, tick one, then hit next. It's as simple as that. Then you're going to be taken to this page where you're going to agree to the terms and services, then hit continue, and then finally you're going to be brought to the actual survey on Univox, and this is where you're going to easily make $2 in 3 minutes. If you guys are loving this video so far, make sure that you like and subscribe because it really helps the channel. Also, please don't be shy to comment down below if you're loving our video so far. And if there are any changes that you'd like to see, make sure that you comment that down below too, because we will definitely read them and take note of them. Anyway, let's finish up today's video, shall we? Bonus number 3 would be that you make sure to finish 10 surveys, because once you complete 10 surveys, you're going to receive higher paying surveys. Surveys that will range anywhere from $3 to $5. So make sure that you complete 10 surveys first, or else you'll receive higher paying websites. Now to triple your earnings, we want you to click on your username at the top right and then hit on account, and then make sure you're at the communication preference section. So make sure that beside the email it says 5 or more, because this means that you will be receiving 5 or more surveys per day straight into your email account, which is what we want, because the more surveys, the more money, and that's what we want. We want to make more money, right? So make sure you actually log in every single day and do as much surveys, because if you're able to end up in the leaderboard, then you can get an additional point or additional points for free, up to 500 points, which is $5, and it's another great opportunity for us to earn. Some specific activity have exchanges to them. So as you can see here, if you do 10 surveys, then that's 2 points. If you complete a survey, that's 20 points. And if you have a referral, then that's 20 points again, and so on and so forth. So make sure that you follow our main method for today and follow the bonus tips and tricks, because that's what's really going to get you going, and that's really what's going to get you the most money possible from today's method. And that is basically it. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.